In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your local Steam game files. If you ever need to access a game's installation folder for mods, screenshots, configuration files, troubleshooting, or just to better understand where Steam stores your game data, this process is quick and simple. We'll go step by step inside Steam so you can get to the correct folder without having to search through your computer manually. First, open Steam and go to your library. This is where all of your installed and purchased games are listed. If you have a large collection, you may want to use the search bar or scroll through your list until you find the specific game you want to open. Make sure you're selecting the correct title, especially if you have multiple editions or similarly named games in your account. Once you've found the game, right-click on it in your library. This will open a menu with several options related to that game. Right-clicking is useful here because it gives you quick access to game-specific settings and file management tools without needing to open extra windows or menus. From that menu, select Manage and then choose Browse Local Files. This is the key option of what you're looking for. When you click it, Steam automatically locates the installation directory for that game and opens it for you. This saves time and avoids the confusion of having to figure out which drive or Steam library folder the game was installed to. After that, File Explorer will open directly to the game's installation folder. This is the local folder where the game files are stored on your computer. Depending on the game, you may see executable files, folders for assets, settings, support files, or other content used by the game. If you're here to install mods or troubleshoot an issue, be careful not to delete or move files unless you know exactly what they do, since changing the wrong file can cause the game to stop working properly. And that's all there is to it. By going to your library, right-clicking the game, choosing Manage, and then selecting Browse Local Files, you can quickly access any Steam games installation folder in just a few clicks. It's one of the easiest ways to manage your game files directly through Steam, and it's especially helpful when you need fast access without digging through folders on your own.